Hello everybody and welcome to our channel Going Places. I'm Jacobus and this is Eric with me. So yeah, we're inviting friends over.
Basically what I'm going to make is a lamb stew. It's a one pot stew. All these ingredients that's here in front of us will end up in one pot in the oven and will end up on the dinner table later. I'll also show you a bit later how I'll prepare dessert, which will be poached peaches with some pistachio anglaise. Okay, so meat is all it's a braising lamb, boneless, that is cut into pieces. I'm gonna add some salt and some pepper to this, and then I am going to put some flour into it with my chopped rosemary. Mix everything together, and then I'm going to put it with some olive oil into a nice heavy based pot. I'm going to fry off all the lamb, and once it's fried off I'm going to take it out, maybe add a bit of more oil, and then I'm going to fry off the vegetables that I'm going to add, which is going to be some diced potato, diced red onion, some diced carrots, and as well as some mushrooms. Once that is all nicely fried off, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. A little bit of pearl barley, just a few tablespoons of pearl barley. I'm going to add some Marmite. I'm going to add some beer, some stock, and lastly I'm going to also add some chipotle sausages. And once everything is added, mixed together, I'm gonna put it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 2 hours, or until the lamb is nice and soft. So I'm going to prepare the dessert now. I'm going to use peaches that was picked from Jacobus's dad's farm, so fresh from the farm peaches. I'm going to make poached peaches with pistachio creme anglaise. Peaches, caster sugar, some herbs. I'm going to use the yolks of the eggs, some vanilla extract, some milk, and then also some pistachios that were soaked overnight, so they were soaked in water for 24 hours.
everybody. Yeah, welcome to our channel. Yeah, sing. Hello.